In this video you will learn how to upload a website on the GoDaddy domain. First, buy a domain and hosting. Log into your GoDaddy account, buy a domain if you have not already, purchase a hosting plan like GoDaddy Web Hosting or cPanel Hosting, connect domain to hosting. If you bought both domain and hosting from GoDaddy, they will automatically be linked. If you're using an external hosting platform, update your domain's DNS or domain name server to match your host. Then, access hosting via the cPanel or GoDaddy dashboard. Go to your GoDaddy account, click My Products, then click Find Hosting. After that, select Manage. Open the file manager or cPanel, or use the built-in website builder if available. Upload your website file. In the file manager, go to Public HTML folder. Click Upload, then select your website files. Or use FTP, the FileZilla, or go with GoDaddy's credentials to upload the files directly. Check your site. Once it's uploaded, go to your domain to see it's live. Then clear browser cache. If it hasn't changed, do not worry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.